Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to adjust your investment risk profile on Bright. Tuning your risk level helps Bright to tailor your investments to match your goals, and here's how you can update your investment risk profile in the Bright app. First, open the Bright app and go to the invest section from the main dashboard. Once you're there, tap on settings or the gear icon in the top corner of your investment dashboard. Select Risk Profile from the list of investment preferences. Bright will ask you a few questions that covers your age, income, financial goals, and how comfortable you are with risk. Answer each honestly. This helps Bright to calculate your ideal risk level, whether you're conservative, balanced, or aggressive. Once completed, Bright will automatically adjust your investment strategy to better reflect your new profile. You're going to get a preview of how your portfolio allocations might shift, whether it's more bonds, more stocks, or a mix. Tap Save or Update Profile to confirm your changes. Your future investments will now follow your updated risk strategy, but you can come back and revise it anytime as your financial situation evolves. If you found this useful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Bright how-to guides. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.